Hello everybody and welcome back to another Super Bear Adventure video. Today we're gonna do the mission flooding in practice mode. Flooding in, I don't know what this name is, a desert, so let's go. Or giza. Fine. So we need to do it so fast. Oh, dear, I can do it. I can do it. Okay. Okay. I think it's easy. I think it's easy. I know. Hey. Come on. Yeah, you can do it. No. Don't think about owie. You. Oh, hey. Ha. Come. No! I can do it, guys. I can do it. Okay, we don't have time. We have time. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Don't panic. Don't panic on me. Huh? Huh? Come on. No. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. No, not cheating. If I died again, I'm gonna cheat something. I'm gonna go to the capitalist shop and I am gonna take 6 lives, not 3 lives. Fine. If I died. Please. Come on. Come on, please. Yes, I died. Let's see now. Now let's see what we can take. Come on, my friend. I'm here for you. Yes, that's you. Yeah. I'm gonna skip the ads. Okay. Guys, finally, he gave me 6 life points. So let's go. And I watch an ad to have 5 VR chance. We're trying to get the I'm a bear glasses. I missed that because I can't take it, and I made a video on it, but you didn't see the I'm a bear glasses. I show it to you, but I didn't take it still. It's still so hard to take. So guys, let's do it. We need to take it. I'm gonna make tomorrow a video, another mission to Hey. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, Baron. Don't think about going down there. Hey. Okay. Good. Hey. Come on, please. Yes! We did it! I did it. I did it. God, I'm so sorry. I did it without the video, and now I did it in the video. Guys, that's the end. Tomorrow we're gonna make a new one. Oh, maybe today, because 6 minutes. We're gonna, and 0 minutes, 0 seconds, we're gonna do another mission in the next video.